What's up guys, today I will show you how to shop on AliExpress. So the first thing you need to do is search for AliExpress on Google. So after that you will see here two options, join or sign in. If you don't have an account, click on join. If you have account, click on sign in. So let's assume that you don't have an account, click on join. So after that, in the next screen you will see email address, password. If you have an email address, type your email address here and the password here. If you don't have an email address and the password, register using Facebook or Twitter or Google. So for example, I will register using Google. Click on this icon. In the next screen you will see the Gmail here. So I will register using this Gmail. So now we have an account on AliExpress. So what we are gonna do now is we are going to search for items that we want to buy. For example, headphones. Here you will see a lot of items. There are millions of items on AliExpress. There are many categories. You can click on this icon here to see women's fashion, men's fashion, computer, office, security, consumer electronics, jewelry, watches, home, pet, bags, shoes, toys, kids, babies. You can choose any category. So for example, I will click on this item. So this is how you can buy an item on AliExpress. It's very easy, guys. All you have to do is choose the color of your choice. For example, I will choose white, and here ships from. What does that mean is where this item will be shipped, or where this item is located. If you want this item to be shipped from China, click on China. If you want this item to be shipped from any in the United States, click on United States. If you want this item to be shipped from Spain, click on Spain. So I will choose China because the shipping cost is very cheap. So to United States, free shipping. And as you can see here, the cost of the item is $2.30. So let's click on buy now. By the way, if you guys don't know how to change the country, you can click on this and you will see here ship to. If your country is Spain, for example, you can click on Spain. If your country is United Kingdom or United Arab Emirates, you can choose any country you want. So let's assume that I want to ship this item to United States. And the free shipping, as you can see here, click on apply and click on buy now or add to cart. If you guys want to buy more items, click on add to carts or add to cart. Now I want to buy this item right now, so I will click on buy now. Here you can choose your payment method. For example, if you want to pay using PayPal, you can click on PayPal. If you want to pay using your credit card or debit card, here you can type your card number and here your VCC and card holder. So after you type your credit card information, click on save this card and click on confirm. If you guys don't want to save this card, you will have a problem when you want to shop again. They will always ask you for your credit card information. So now I will choose save this card. Click on confirm. So after you click on confirm, here you have to type your shipping information. Here you can type your name. For example, my name is Muhammad. Here you have to type your address. Here, if you don't want, you don't have to type anything. Here you have to type your phone number, and here your zip code, and here state. So for example, I will choose California, and I will choose Los Angeles, and click on set as default. Here phone number, I will type a random phone number and click on confirm. Okay. the zip code, and I will click on confirm. So after you add your shipping address, click on place order. Here you can see your total price. It's $2.54. And here you can see place order. Once you click on place order, you will have to wait around 1 day to 3 days, and the seller will send you will update the state of your order, and you will see tracking number, and then you can track it on 17 track. Before I show you guys how to track items that you bought from AliExpress, I will show you how to find out if the seller has shipped the item or not. So you will see account here, and scroll down, you will see my orders. Click on my orders. In the next screen, you will see awaiting delivery, and you will see here awaiting shipment and awaiting payment. Here, and read order messages and disputes. If the item isn't as described, or you have a problem with the item, you can open dispute here. Open dispute. If you guys want to know if the seller has shipped the item or not, you will see on your order, you will see track order. If you don't see track order, that means the seller hasn't shipped the item yet. So when you see track order, click on it and copy the tracking number and paste it on 17 track. And click on track. And wait a few seconds. As you can see here, if you guys don't understand Chinese, just click on English here. And as you can see, Sweden, the item is in Sweden. So that's how you can shop on AliExpress, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.